Time now for your forewarned weather with Chief Meteorologist Alana Brophy.
Alana, do you ever feel like you're being grilled by the Senate when you're taking viewer calls and emails? Because I know you get a lot of them.
You know, I just want you to know, I just listen to those voicemails and I call right back.
Yep.
Respond to those emails. Yes, we get a lot of questions, but we have to answer them. And a lot of folks said, really? Snow in southern Utah? The answer was yes. Live view right now from San Juan County, because that upper level low still keeping things unsettled in the southeastern corner of the state. And you can see light snow coming down in the area. This is Devil's Canyon on 191. Now, as we look at southeastern Utah, we also know that we have seen gorgeous snow in places like Kanab, and how about Monument Valley? Those are the iconic rock formations, and we don't typically see snow in this area. A really pretty shot. We alerted you to the snow in San Juan County last night at 10 p.m., and it's been on and off since. We're going to see drier air moving in. Satellite radar shows that low on the move. We get some wraparound moisture, and that's actually keeping a few showers in south central Utah, some clouds over Powell, and then from Grand County to the Four Corners, that's where places like Blanding have the cloud cover. So does Monticello. Few showers will dwindle as we get through the next several hours with drier air setting up. That dry air already set up in the southwestern corner of the state. Live view from the Black Desert Sky Cam, where I could just picture myself for this sunset. It's gorgeous. They made it into the mid-50s today, and we did see quieter conditions over Washington County. In northern Utah, it was quiet, but unfortunately, this time of year with high pressure, that comes with a price tag, and that's our air. Notice that haze as you take that live view towards the Lake Mountains from Linden. The Utah Lake view is pretty, but that gunk we're breathing in, maybe not so pretty, and we will get rid of it, but another day ahead of us when it comes to inversion haze. 30s out there for those temperatures. Our inversion layer also moderates just how much we can warm up, and we haven't been able to. Upper 30s is average for this time of year, and we've kind of parked ourselves there in Salt Lake. 30s, 40s, and 50s on the eastern side of the state. Take your pick. 32 in Blanding, freezing in Vernal, 51 in St. George. For the Wasatch Front tonight, next couple of hours, 30s turn to 20s, and it's COLD, folks. I don't need to tell you. You and I both step out bundled up this time of year. And for the overnight, we get another frigid one. By ABC4 News at 10, we're into the 20s. So I talked about one more day, and I do think we will see unhealthy air pop up for our Thursday. It's the first day that ridge of high pressure takes over the whole state. Davis, Salt Lake, Utah County, Duchesne County, dealing with that elevated particulate matter. Moderate air for the rest of northern Utah and on the northeastern side of the state for tomorrow. We will start to see some changes, though, by Friday, close of our work week, and let me break them down for you. Here goes that low. Bye, so long, see you later. Haze sticking around in northern Utah with quiet conditions for the entire state as we roll into our Thursday, declining air quality as a result. Then we get into Friday, increasing cloud cover, and by the weekend, hello, moisture. It's like I sent a personal invitation to that wet weather off the coast. We drag it into northern Utah, and some of the models don't agree on how far south it goes, but it looks like it's going to reach for places like Carbon County, Juab County, and we could see a valley rain and mountain snow setup. That means a healthy dose of moisture for the high country, and here's the reason why. Atmospheric river moisture. That's what we're talking about as we head into the weekend, and it's because of the setup of the area of high pressure to our south and that low pressure off the coast. See this narrow corridor here? We pull water vapor from the tropics with an atmospheric river, and we drag that into the United States, and we are seeing that really target north of us, but it looks like northern Utah could tap into it. Atmospheric river moisture brings warmer temperatures as well as that valley rain mountain snow setup. Heavy snow, which is why a brand new winter storm watch has been issued for the Wasatch Mountains north of I-80 and the Bear River Range. 1 to 2 feet, folks. This goes into effect Friday afternoon, holds on through Monday, so this is going to be a weekend event. We're going to watch that watch. That's fun, isn't it? It's going to evolve likely into an advisory or a warning. Temperatures for tomorrow, as I mentioned, inversion, so we're going to be very similar to today with those upper 30s, 40s in Moab, 40s for the I-15 corridor, 50s in St. George. Speaking of Washington County, dry, and we're going to climb the temperature ladder, peg by peg. Hello, 70s. You are so cute on Tuesday. That's early as we're into February, but gosh, we'll take it. As we look at the Wasatch Front, we will see that warming trend once we get the mixing on Friday. That westerly flow brings in warmer air. How about some 50s? We could see some record potential Monday, Tuesday, and a little bit of wet weather. Let's get something shaking.
Let's do it.
That's what I say.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hey.